I am so excited to bring to you some of the latest information on releases of new communities right here in gorgeous Nocatee. As you know, Nocatee has been voted #1 best master plan community in United States of America. Now, of course, this is the epitome of luxury Florida living right here in Nocatee, being less than 8 miles to the ocean shore. It has gorgeous amenities with 10 different pools, amenity centers all over, state-of-the-art restaurants, shopping, everything that you need. Of course, we all love that it's golf cart friendly and trails and hiking for miles. So it literally, guys, I've not had one customer buy a house in here that has not absolutely loved everything about this community. So we're going to unpack some of these opportunities that have now come available for you to enjoy this lifestyle and make it yours.
As we know, in real estate, it always starts with location. So these 4 brand new neighborhoods have been strategically placed in the south end of Nocatee, giving you that more quiet, quaint feel and quick access to downtown St. Augustine and US 1. Now, due to time's sake, we're only going to expound on one of the communities, which is Palmetto Cove, the most exclusive of the 4 that has been released, as they have generous lot sizes and a cozy, quaint feel that I think you guys are going to absolutely love. Stay tuned for more details.
Now, I know how much you guys enjoy actually seeing the location of these upcoming neighborhoods right here in Nocatee. So I thought I'll actually bring you out here. So excuse the construction, because of course the neighborhood is actively under construction. You may hear a bulldozer go by, so excuse that in advance. But I wanted you to have a sneak peek in advance to see what this community offers. So first thing I want to point out, guys, you notice the gorgeous tree line behind me. This was very intentional to make sure that every home site has a plush backing of trees around it. And this whole neighborhood, honestly, is surrounded by nature. So I'm going to actually turn the camera around. It may be a little crooked, but if you see here, there's actually trees lined throughout this street. And the most gorgeous thing about this community, you will be the only neighborhood on this street. So you have that nice privacy. You don't have to worry about a lot of traffic, and you're the closest neighborhood to the kayak launch. Other things I want to point out, not only will this neighborhood have all tree-lined home sites as well as tree-lined or preserved, you never have to worry about backing to your neighbor. They will only have 61 home sites available in this neighborhood. So 61. So it's going to be a small, quaint, quiet neighborhood. I think many of you would really enjoy that. And plus, one of the bonuses that everyone loves about this community is the larger home sites. For those that like those generous, spacious homes where you can spread out a little bit, the home sites, as far as the actual home sites, will range anywhere from 70 foot wide to a little over 200 feet deep. So those that love to entertain and have people over, especially to hang out, you love that outdoor living, you actually can do that in this community.
Now let's jump in the car so you can see some of the neighborhood as well as these generous home sites for yourself.
I wish my camera could really capture the beauty of the turquoise green pond view here that stretches for almost a mile, along with this gorgeous tree line. As you see the trees blowing in the wind here, I couldn't imagine how amazing it would feel to wake up to have your morning coffee with this gorgeous view. And actually, this is not just a retention pond. It actually stretches all the way to the cul-de-sac, all the way down here, and opens up to a larger pond as well. Now remember, these are larger home sites with 70 foot wide, and some are almost over 200 feet deep. So I'm going to show you a little bit just so you can see the size of these lots that stretch for quite some ways. So if you see where the street is, how wide and how long these lots are. Definitely something, guys, with this type of view, you definitely don't want to miss the opportunity to make the beautiful Palmetto Cove home. And stay tuned for more information.
Now that we've had a chance to tour some of the neighborhood and check out some of those generous, spacious lots, let's talk about the builders. There's going to be 2 distinct builders in this particular Nocatee community. Now, my favorite is Dossie Homes. They've been around for over 60 years. They're 3rd generation builder, family owned and operated, with the most genuine, humble owner you could ever meet. If you're looking for a more personalized experience, Dossie Homes is definitely one I would recommend. Let's step into one of their models just so you can learn a little more about Dossie Homes.
I'm here with Sam with Dossie Homes, and he's going to tell you a little more about Palmetto Cove and what you can expect. So Sam, tell us a little more.
Thanks, Francis. So we are in Palmetto Cove. It's a small, quaint community, 61 home sites, 2,800 square feet to 4,400 square feet, starting in the low 800s.
Okay, kind of tell them what makes Dossie different. I already told them about your fabulous owner that I love to work with. Yeah. Tell us a little more.
I think our floor plans are really unique. So we offer a wide variety of floor plans. We're a semi-custom home builder. So I think our plans speak for themselves, and you can check out the floor plans on dossiehomes.com and learn more about us.
Okay, and so just so they know, you guys actually love when they work with realtors as well.
Yes, especially Francis. So come with it. No, we love partnering with fantastic realtors like Francis. So call Francis, have her come show you what we've got to offer.
All right, thank you. Now, as we walk through this floor plan, I want to point out that many of the pain points that you guys break up to me, wanting a separate living space for the kids where they can work, live, play, and you can still have your separate owner's retreat, as well as maybe have some room for guests or in-laws that may come to stay with you. This floor plan answers all of your problems and provides great solutions. So towards the back of me, I want you to notice the owner suite is off to this side. The in-law suite, which is actually a little bit separate from the house but still attached, is actually out this main door here. And then other cool part about this floor plan, guys, that I love, the kids have their separate work play area here where they can do their homework, hang out, do their laundry, and guess what? Everyone has peace and quiet, but yet can still gather in this main area.
Time's sake, we're only going to highlight a few features of this particular floor plan, but there's so many to point out, starting with the in-law suite / cabana. Now, this is perfect for those that have extended guests or have in-laws that stay with you. It has its own spacious area with living room included, as well as a kitchenette, full bathroom with a generous walk-in shower, generous closet, and as you can see here, gorgeous window placement, perfect for natural lighting that leads into the gorgeous courtyard and its own private rear entrance here that is still off the main living room area. Now let's step inside the main home here. This home is 4 bedrooms, 4 bath, and a little over 3,500 square feet. Generous spacing throughout. Another really cool feature that I want to point out about this floor plan, of course, is the kids' rec area here. They have their own separate study living area here, 2 separate workspaces, and again, 2 generous bedrooms that are joined by a Jack and Jill bathroom here with their own separate sinks, so no fighting over sinks in the morning, and everyone could get ready for school, entertain friends, and have a good time while being away from the main areas here.
Neighborhood with the only 61 home sites, guys, believe it or not, it is selling really fast. It is selling really fast. I know at least 20 of them have already sold. So if this is something that interests you, you want to be sure that you act fast. Give me a call. I can get you the floor plans, get you the information on the builders, and connect you with the builder site agent so you can get the information. As you guys already know, on the buyer side of the transaction, it costs you absolutely nothing to have me as your resource and to guide you through the process and make sure you have someone looking out for you.
Enjoyed this brief look into the exclusive Palmetto Cove. Now, with pricing starting in the mid to high 900,000s, this may not be a price point for everyone. However, there are 3 other opportunities of neighborhoods in Nocatee that have currently been released starting in the high 500,000s. So stay tuned for more information and be sure to check out our other video on Nocatee. Stay tuned.